Today, I'm going to teach you how to design a modern-style poster in Canva in just a few easy steps. Let's jump right in. Alright, first, open a poster size. Start by adding the photo you want to use. Resize it so it fills the entire canvas. After that, go to Edit. Open the duotone effect and switch it to Custom. Adjust the colors or intensity if you want. I'll leave the settings as they are, but you can play around with them if you want a different look. Now, duplicate the image and place the new copy exactly on top of the first one. Remove the duotone effect from this second image, then crop it, so only the area you want to highlight remains visible. For example, if you want the focus on the face, crop in and leave only that part showing. Next, press R to add a rectangle. Make it small. Change it to a color that really pops on the image and place it at one corner of the cropped area. Duplicate this rectangle and place the copies at the other three corners as well. These will act as modern accent markers. Then, press L to add a line. Place the line at the top to connect the points and change its color to match the rectangles. Duplicate the line and place the copies on the remaining sides until the focus area is outlined cleanly. Once everything is in place, select all the rectangles and lines and group them together so they move as one element. To finish the design, add your text. This could be the title, date, or anything you want to include in your poster. And that's it. Your modern poster design is ready. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you want to learn more modern design styles and creative techniques in Canva, make sure to check out these videos next. I'll see you there.